Hello user, welcome to another tutorial of Nurture CRM. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to collect payments from our prospective leads or students. So currently in our CRM, we have enabled three payment methods. One is called a one-time payment. The other is the recurring payment module, and the third one is the installment payment module. So you can use either of the payment modules suitable as per your student or as per your institute. And today, one by one, I'm going to show you how to work around these payment modules. So to begin with, to select any type of payment module, or how do you define which payment module you want to use for your institute or for a particular course of your institute, and what is the specialty of each module. So how do you define a payment module for a particular course? For that, when you add a course for your institute, there you get an option to select one of the payment modules. For example, if I add a course here and I add some price, these will be enabled and I can select either of these payment modules. And if I select on one-time payment and save this course, the same will be reflected at the time of payment collection. For example, I have added three courses by defining different payment modules. Let us begin with the one-time payment module. So, for example, this course has two leads. Now, if I click on a lead and I go to payments, I will see that it shows the one-time payment module. Now, what does this one-time payment module mean and what is the speciality? You can collect any number of payments and any amount, whatever you like, from the student. And here is a provision where you can see, or there is an option to give discounts, which can either be in percentage, or you see the final price is changed, or you can just go ahead and type out some amount that I want to give this discount, and then you can save it here. For example, the final price is 25,000. Now, in this one-time payment module, either you collect one time at once, or you can record any number of payments that you want to. Also, whatever payment you record, everything will be shown here in the transaction history. Now, there are two methods in which you can record the payment. Either you can manually record it by saying you want some amount, for example 5,000, so the balance remains 20,000. It can be cash, and you can add a description like first payment. And this you can do in case you have received the amount personally, or there is no online transaction being done. So you take the amount and you record the payment. You can also send a receipt and you save. Now this receipt will go on the student's registered email ID. As soon as you save, in the transaction history, you will see a success status, the transaction date, and also you can see the receipt from here, whatever has been generated for this particular transaction. So the file will be downloaded. You can see the receipt with all the details. Another method of payment, now the balance is 20,000. Another method of payment which is more suitable, because always personal transactions are not possible, is that you can use our payment gateway and you can send an online link to the student, and the student can pay via that link and the payment will be recorded. For example, you can click on the send payment link and maybe you can give an amount here and you send. As soon as you click on the send, you see the payment link sent here and you will get the status as pending. As soon as the payment is made via that link, then the status will be changed here. For example, this payment to link will be sent on the registered email ID for the student. Let me check this. Student will get this email with all the balance and the link, and soon as the student completes the payment, it will be recorded here. There is an option that you can cancel the payment link. If you have sent the payment link, maybe you have entered the amount by mistake, or anything, then you have an option to cancel the payment link from here. So the send payment link button will be active again. So you can resend the payment link again, or you can cancel, or each time manually you can record the payment. The beauty is that as soon as you have cancelled, the status changed from payment to cancel, so that you know what has happened with this lead related to this transaction. So this is how you can go about the one-time payment method. Either you collect the whole payment at once, or you can record any number of payments that you want to. There is no limitation. You can have any amount recorded each time that you need.